Hi, Clark Reid back with you, and a happy St. Patrick's Day to you with some tech headlines in fact, one that comes from Ireland. How about that? Very topical. If you like these reports, you can help us out by giving the like button some attention. You can also subscribe so you know when each new report is posted for you. We've had a couple of big quantum computing stories lately, including one about Microsoft's groundbreaking new quantum chip. And now an Irish startup called Equal One has shown off the world's first quantum computer that runs on a hybrid quantum classical silicon chip. TheNextWeb.com reports the chip is called the Bell One after quantum physicist John Stuart Bell. The computer weighs a hefty 441 pounds, but it does plug into a regular electrical outlet, and it's designed to simply slot into high-performance data centers right by standard servers. The machine marries classical transistors for normal computing tasks with quantum transistors for qubits, and all on a single silicon-based chip. The computer is much smaller than most quantum computers, due in large part to its closed-cycle cryocooler that keeps the machine at toasty 272 below zero Celsius without a massive external refrigeration system. It only does 6 qubits, unlike Google's Willow chip that can run 105, but it's available to buy right now on St. Patrick's Day. No word on how much green you're going to need to bring one home, though. In another bid to get you to never take your AirPods out except to recharge, Apple is apparently going to add live translation to them in a software update later this year. According to Engadget.com, a Bloomberg story says the feature would work similarly to the translation feature on Pixel Buds, but with the Apple translation, you wouldn't have to ask Siri first like you do with Google Assistant. The AirPods will automatically detect some language besides your native language and just start converting it to the language you speak and understand. This would be the second big feature drop since last year. When Apple added hearing health features to AirPods Pro, it's still being rumored that they will be adding heart rate tracking too, which the Powerbeats Pro 2 buds already have. A study by Columbia Journalism Review's Tow Center for Digital Journalism has found AI search engines give the incorrect answers a shocking 60% of the time. ArsTechnica.com reports that ChatGPT search incorrectly identified 67% of articles queried. Perplexity was much better, but still wrong 37% of the time. Grok 3, Elon Musk's generative AI, was wrong an astonishing 94% of the time. Now, the researchers fed direct excerpts from actual news articles to the AI models for the test, and then ran 1,600 queries with 8 different generative search tools. An interesting idea dropped by Bluesky CEO Jay Graber at South by Southwest. TechCrunch.com reports he mentioned that Bluesky is looking at letting users have the option of having their posts and data scraped for generative AI training and public archiving, or they can opt not to do so. This did get a bit of an uproar from users who think one of the best parts of Bluesky is not sharing of info, but Graber pointed out everything on the website is public, just like a website is public. Under the proposal, Bluesky users using the app or the online version on any browser, you could tell the underlying protocol to in the settings to disallow or allow the usage of your Bluesky data across 4 categories: generative AI, protocol bridging, in other words, connecting with different social ecosystems, bulk data sets, and web archiving. That's like the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.